Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the one and only Crazy Nympho! Oh, all right, you're the Nympho. Oh, Crazy Nympho. Oh, Crazy Nympho. Mina ngithi Nympho, ngithi hey. Awu, kanti yini Nympho? Yo, sup? Yeah, nice bafethu. Yeah, igama lami uNhlakanipho bafethu. I go by the name of Crazy Nympho. Ukuhlala bafethu ngihlala khona la eMapentla Hostela. Abaningi bayicava ngeMrafi Hostela. So today I'm going to be performing a track abalibiza nge Take It Top. Yeah, Take It Top. Yeah. Angishaye la mfethu.
Hey, yo, Crazy, you better
Hey. Whoa. Nah. Look, even if they wanna stop me, they can stop me. Even if they wanna stop me, they can stop me. Yeah, okay. Each and every day, it's a brand new day, and a brand new day, it's a redo day. Hey, okay, you say you're running this game, no, I think it's how we play, no sleeping. I got energy on my place, cause I'm Red Bull, and you come here with a play, oh no. It's slam on my lies, and I'm nasty on my lies, that's a facts, no lies. I'm rolling 7 on my dice, I'm a real low key, and I'm dropping deep flows like I'm living on the sea. They've been saying that I'm blind, but I'm doing what I see. What I see is what I do at the kitchen. I do it like a cool. On my race, I'm number 1. If I'm on, you're number 2. Move it up. There's a beast at the zoo. Move it up. I'm the king at the zoo. Move it up. Move up. I started from the bottom, now I'll take it to the top. Walking every day, I don't even need to stop. Walking every day on my flow, cause I'm growing like a crop. Growing like a crop, every day it's like a job. I will take it to the top. For my hood and the stop me, I'll take it to the top. For my fam and the fluffy. Oh no, that won't stop me, I'm going in. Oh no, I'm going in. Let the other pass me, I just walk up and I'm figuring out one guy. Put the stars in my band and I'm a what the skill is, I could pull up there. Imagine how my job, better how my job. Music in my blood, that's the only thing I got. If I ain't gonna make it, I'm playing me down the clock. Cause I know if I got about me, but I hope you won't. Cause I know it's God. In the meantime, let me drop it like it's hot. Cause it's coming out the pot. Even though I don't have a support, I will keep on cooking and never even a pot. Cause it started from the bottom, now take it to the top. Take it to the top and tell you what I'm living for. What I'm living for, it's just I'm better than before. I'm better than before, yeah, I'm even growing more. Even growing more, but that's not good. I started from the bottom, now take it to the top. I'm walking every day, I don't even need to stop. Walking every day on my flow, now I'm growing like a crop. Growing like a crop, every day it's like a job. Take it to the top for my hood and the stuff. Take it to the top for my fam and the fluffy. Oh no, that won't stop me, I'm going in. Oh no, I'm doing it. I just not like a Kosakai who went in mountain. I'm coming so clean like a fountain. I'm messy in this game, I'm wearing number 10. It's like hip hop, I'm in top 10. I'm coming so straight like an arrow. It's been a while since I'm working under shadow. I've been grinding low, busy grinding for tomorrow. Oh yeah, I had to switch flows and never switch sides. I practice every day, music now is on my side. I had to stand up and never use pride. I saw what's right, I had to use it for my future as a right. Started from a bottom on a beat, I'm unique. Started from a bottom on a beat, I'm on a seek. Started from a bottom on a beat, I've never panicked. Started from a bottom and I'll take it to the top. I started from a bottom, now I'll take it to the top. I've been walking every day, I don't even need to stop. Walking every day on my flows, now I'm growing like a crop. Growing like a crop, every day it's like a job. Take it to the top for my hood and the stop. Take it to the top for my fam and the floppy. Oh no, don't stop me, I'm going in. Oh no, I'm going in. Yeah.
Yes, Crazy nigga. Thank you.
It's gonna sound like a joke, but I look up to you. Shout out, man. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Crazy Nico! I'm crashing. Go open mic, guys. We only have one track. Go open mic because we are just warming up the stage, and then on the flyer, kunama performers. So we don't want to mess up their sets. Abanga usuke Tembisa or the Orange Farm. And I appeal my takes in